In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted folders in Outlook. If you've accidentally deleted a folder in Outlook, don't worry. In many cases, it can be restored quickly using the Deleted Items area. I'm going to walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you can get your folder back and move it to the right place. To begin, open Outlook and make sure you're in the main email view. Once Outlook is open, click on Mail so you're looking at your inbox and folder list. This is important because the deleted folder will usually be found within your mail folders, not in another section of Outlook. Now look over to the folder pane on the left-hand side and find Deleted Items. Go ahead and expand that section so you can see what's inside. If the folder was recently removed, there's a good chance it will still be listed there. Take a moment to look carefully, especially if you have a lot of deleted messages or folders stored in that area. When you find the deleted folder, click the three dots next to that folder. This opens the Folder Options menu. From there, click Move. Outlook will then show you the available locations where the folder can be placed again. Choose the folder or mailbox location where you want to restore it. Try to select the correct destination so your folder goes back to the place that makes the most sense for your workflow. Once you select the destination, the folder will be moved out of deleted items and recovered. At that point, you should see it reappear in the location you selected. If you don't see it immediately, give Outlook a moment to refresh or collapse and expand the folder list again. One helpful tip is to check the restored folder right away to make sure all of the contents are still there. In most cases, the emails and subfolders inside will move back along with it. Also, if you accidentally move it to the wrong place, you can simply repeat the move process and place it where you want. That's all it takes to recover a deleted folder in Outlook. As long as the folder is still inside Deleted Items, this method is fast and easy. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to restore your folder without any trouble.